Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about how to turn your small business into your full-time income. So today we're going to be talking about Amazon Lives. This is a new feature that I'm super excited about, and you can drive sales to your Amazon listing through these lives and through taking advantage of them. So before we get into the video, I want to thank Rebate for sponsoring this video, and I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of these Amazon Lives through rebate.com. Okay, so first let's tackle what is Amazon Live. So when thinking of Amazon Live, I want you to think of QVC. They basically combined the fun and interactive way of video and live video essentially and online shopping. And they're pushing this to a lot of influencers that already have a huge following on either Instagram or YouTube or even TikTok. So that's great because these influencers promote these Amazon Lives on their Instagram and other social channels, driving people from those channels to the live and promoting products to them. So this is an amazing marketing method for Amazon sellers, and I'm going to explain how you can get into it at the end of the video. So I want you to stay tuned for that because that is the most important part. So the Amazon Affiliates program, I believe, was introduced a little bit of a while ago, and a lot of influencers were taking advantage of this, where they could basically create their own stores and they can list Amazon products that they like on those stores. And if any of their followers shop their store, they get a commission from it. So Amazon Lives are basically displayed on the influencer's store, and if any of their followers shop the products that they mention on Amazon Live, Amazon themselves give the influencer a commission. So it's great because you don't have to give the commission from yourself. The Amazon platform does that for you, and it incentivizes the influencer to promote your product even more and sell your product even more. On that note, we're going to go into why you should take advantage of Amazon Live. Okay, so the first reason is that Amazon Lives get a lot of views. They can receive up to 150,000 views on the live, and they are available for permanent playback. So it's not like you do a live or an influencer does a live and then all of a sudden it's gone and people can't watch it again. They are actually available on the Amazon Live page for people to watch over and over again. So we're kind of witnessing that same evergreen, what can I say, positive feature, let's say, that YouTube has, where if you post a video on YouTube, it's available there, where YouTube keeps pushing it for a long time, unlike, for example, TikTok, where it gets pushed once and then that's it. So we're witnessing that same exact thing with Amazon, where they keep these videos available for permanent playback so people can continuously get exposure to their products through those videos. Another reason is when your product is mentioned on Amazon Live, this video actually goes on your listing. So when people view your listing regularly through Amazon, they are actually able to see this Amazon Live and they're able to see this influencer talk about your product. So this has amazing SEO benefits and is also great because people can see your product in action. Also, when an influencer mentions your product on an Amazon Live, your product gets placed on that influencer storefront permanently, meaning when their followers go on their Amazon storefront, they will always see your product there, so you get a lot of exposure that way as well. And the last reason I'm going to mention is that with Amazon Live, you have the early movers advantage, meaning this feature on Amazon is still very new. So it's comparable to when PPC was first launched. It was only just a few cents per click at the very beginning. Now it can go up to around $1 or $2. It can even go up to $4 per click. So the value that you're getting with Amazon Live now is very similar to the value that you would get with PPC at the very beginning. Okay, so now that we've covered Amazon Live, what it is, and why you should take advantage of it for your listing, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your products on an influencer's Amazon Live. All right, so I'm going to hop behind my computer right now and show you how you can run an influencer campaign on rebate.com for Amazon Live. Now, you guys already know Rebate. I've mentioned them countless times before on my channel and on my TikTok. I use them for a lot of the marketing that I do for my own personal products. So I'm excited to be partnering with them on this video for this new Amazon Live feature. So I'm going to share my screen right now. And I'm logged in over here on my rebate.com platform. You can see these are all the rebates campaigns that I've done in the past. So I'm going to click on influencer campaign over here. And this is where you have to choose where your product is listed. So since we are dealing with Amazon.com, we're going to keep Amazon over here checked off. Now, if you were selling on Walmart or eBay or Etsy, then you would go ahead and check these off. But since we're talking about Amazon Lives right now, we're just going to click on Amazon right here. And then we're going to select Amazon Live. As you can see, they have other options as well, but for today's video, we are covering the Amazon Live feature. So over here, it asks you what category best describes your product. So you're going to choose which category your product falls under. For me, I sell sunglasses, so I usually just choose apparel, but you know, you have furniture, toys and games, you have baby care, etc. Basically all the categories that your product could fall under. And you're going to click next. And then what is the goal of your campaign? You can choose either you're advertising a deal like a discount, or you're launching a new product, which is great also. This campaign could really be great for launching a new product, building a customer base, or you're expanding your current customer base. So for me, I'm going to click on expanding a customer base because my product has already been on there for a while. And as you can see here, I get a bunch of influencers that do Amazon Lives. Jade is very popular. She has 1.4 million followers on Instagram. So over here, these follower counts are very important because these influencers will post on their social media channels promoting their Amazon Lives. So obviously this reflects how many followers that they have that they're going to be promoting the live to. So let's say, for example, I choose Liz over here. And what's really good is they give you the budget. So Liz over here has for Amazon Live $500, which actually is a really good price just because of the turnover that you get. So you have to think about, okay, I'm going to pay $500, but how much money am I going to get back? How many sales am I going to be able to generate? And usually it's a lot, especially because she has 600,000 followers. So over here, she's charging $500 for her Amazon Live, and she tells you exactly what you're going to be receiving, which is a 2 to 5 minute integration on Amazon Live. So let's say with this $500, what you have to keep in mind is not only are you getting exposure to her followers, you're also getting content that's going to be posted on your product page, which is amazing. And the live is going to be available for playback permanently, and your product is going to be on her storefront permanently. So you're getting a lot of exposure for $500, which is a really, really great value. You can also tell over here and compare it that if you were to promote on her YouTube, which is a similar idea, it's $5,000. So again, this is where we come back to the, you know, early mover advantage, because it's a lot cheaper than if you were to promote on any other platforms, but you're still getting similar results. So this is how you would run a campaign, and then you just choose this and you give them your product URL right here, and then you just submit the campaign. So it's very, very easy. Honestly, this is the easiest way to get your product onto an Amazon Live, and it's very, very beneficial for your listing because you can drive sales that way. I always promote, you know, using influencers as a marketing method for your Amazon Live. So this is an amazing opportunity to take advantage of that. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you found it useful. I'm going to be creating a lot more videos about this Amazon Live series. I'm going to do a campaign myself and show you the results of it. So stay tuned for that. And also don't forget, I do have a course on Amazon FBA and how to sell on Amazon FBA. It's called FBA Academy. So I'm going to link that down below if you are interested. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week for another video.